This thing on? Hi, I'm Sir Ism. And today in player news we have Big Jook, Cornelius Govan.
Welcome to the Sir Ism Show. This show is all about male masculinity, female femininity, and being a real goddamn man.
Now today in player news we have Cornelius Govan. He's in with Big Jook, Yo Gotti, all plotting and conspiring to kill young Dolph. Let's check it out.
Mr. Govan, I don't have to tell you how serious these charges are. I know I don't even have to go back through that. Okay. I also shouldn't have to remind you that you're out on a bond that, and the court has put you under some real serious or some real tight stipulations. Yes, ma'am. At this point, the court feels like you're playing fast and loose.
Playing games where they show conspired to put this all together. Do you feel Yo Gotti is going down? This is a very, very interesting subplot and sub-story. Now everybody in CMG is falling one by one.
The court needs stipulations, and I don't like that. You have filed a motion in your attorney asking me to review your bond conditions. And before we could ever do that, I get a message from a concerned citizen that you're out doing interviews. Whether you're talking about this case or not, you're doing interviews. And the court doesn't like the fact that you feel free enough.
When you see a sister with natural hair, don't play. And she a judge. She done put all her time in to go to school and all this law school. You know they don't play. Let's go. They think they your auntie or your mama.
To do interviews. Because what could be happening is that you could be in jail.
Uh-oh.
And it's a whole lot easier to supervise you there.
Mama girl, sister girl.
But you've been given the opportunity to post a bond with bond conditions, and you're not doing those things you need to do.
What I want to know, how'd y'all get this brother a bond in the first place? And the brother, quote unquote, is the mastermind of the whole conspiracy to knock off young Dolph. What is going on? Memphis is a cold place, man. Memphis court system is trash. Whew. Did she roll her eyes?
We're going to review those bond conditions.
One time, y'all. Did she roll her eyes?
But you've been given the opportunity to post a bond with bond conditions, and you're not doing those things you need to do.
Ooh. You know when a sister roll her eyes, because a lot of women, they can speak with their eyes. A lot of women might say, I didn't say a word. It's all in the eyes, baby. Your body language.
We're going to review those bond conditions on March the 1st. But let me make myself extremely clear to you that you are to not have any interviews with anybody for any reason.
Yeah, I thought that was very green and goofy and guacamole for him to do an interview with some little blogger. Come on, bruh. Y'all in a high profile case and you wouldn't talk to some blogger with like 20,000 subscribers or something. You shouldn't even been talking to nobody. DJ Vlad, nobody. All of them is the popo. Why do people that's criminals incriminate themselves? Okay? Hush your mouth. Remain silent. Plead the fifth, brother. Let's go.
Your attorney has assured me that nothing was said about this case in that interview.
What?
And I have no reason not to believe what
well, you need to listen to the interview. He said everything about the case. He was saying a few things that he shouldn't have been saying.
Told me was true. But like I said, you should not be interviewing with anyone. You should not be making any public statements, and you should be in the house. That means not going to
Wait, wait,
anybody's
wait,
funeral. Put your hand down. You're speaking through your attorney at this point.
oh, put your hand down, boy.
That means not
You like
going
your
to
mom.
funerals or anywhere else. That means in the house
Mm,
as of right now.
she raising her voice. If this was Fannie Willis, she'd tell you, you don't have to raise your voice at me. Let's go. Or down south.
And about you not showing up on yesterday or showing up and then leaving because your counsel thought it was appropriate to allow you to go home because you were getting a barrage of phone calls, that's neither here nor there. When you're supposed to be here, you're supposed to be here.
She giving him a tongue lashing.
Were you not on my docket yesterday? You were supposed to be here. Bottom line.
What you just said, it didn't happen, brother. She's giving you an old school tongue lashing. That's why they put this black woman on this case so she could put these brothers in line. They used the sisters to put a lot of brothers in line. Come on, man. Y'all act like y'all don't see the game.
He instructed me not to come. Like I said,
Mm,
you are
like I
supposed to be
said.
here. Whether your attorney is here or not,
Like
you
I
should
said.
be here. Do you understand that? Do you understand what house arrest means as of this point?
She asked me 3, 4 times.
I'll see you back here on March the 1st, sir. All right, thank you. Please don't give me any reason to revoke this bond. And then we won't even have to have these conversations.
Mm,
March 1st.
March 1st. She trying to let him know, man. Y'all been out here doing all this dirt. Black youngster going crazy. He was talking crazy before young Dolph even got deleted. That he was gonna do this. He went to his hood. Now all of this has transpired. Young Dolph is gone. Black youngster, his brothers done got took out the game. They looking for him. Cornelius Govan, straight drop. Just all the different players in this thing, man. This ought to be a wise tale of my youngsters, man. Don't get yourself caught up in no game. Your only gang is your family. Your only gang is you, my brother. Your only gang is handling your business, not waiting on another man, not being part of something, being a follower, man. That's what these dudes are, followers, man. Be a leader, man. Stand strong, stand tall through it all. Lead your family, lead yourself, and they will follow, man. Before you end up like these brothers fighting the case and everybody dropping dimes and snitching and ratting and biting the cheese. If you do your dirt by your lonely, you'll never snitch on yourself. So this is just a little wisdom from your Uncle Ism. And we out of here from the Macosphere. Leave comments, likes, share, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one. In Clear News.